In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to set a battery charging limit on your Mac. So first, you want to go to Google and look up App House Kitchen MacBook. There you go. So it's App House Kitchen. Click this right here. We're going to want to download Al Dente. So go to here, click free download like this. Agree to everything, and then click download. There you go. So now I have the file. You're just going to want to double click it, click continue, and then basically just install it. Now that the installation was successful, you can close this right here, exit out of the notification, and look up Al Dente. Open it up, click get started, go to settings. You're going to want to go to battery, then click battery health. Click this, and then turn this off right here. So you can either turn it off or until tomorrow, but for this tutorial, I'm just going to turn it off. Click done. You can exit this out, and now you just click all set and then skip the survey, then use the free version. Sweet. So finish this. Now we can click this and we can limit how much we're actually able to charge it to. So it can go all the way to 100 or go all the way down to like 20. So that is how you do it to save your battery life.